Figure Personal Loan, honest review, watch before using. Today, we're diving deep into this product to give you an unbiased look at what it offers. If you're considering taking out a personal loan, it's essential to know exactly what you're getting into, and we're here to break it down for you. Figure Personal Loan is designed to simplify the process of getting a personal loan with minimal paperwork and quick approval times. Whether you need to consolidate debt, finance a large purchase, or cover an unexpected expense, Figure aims to make the entire experience as seamless as possible. The platform leverages cutting-edge technology to automate much of the loan application process, which means you can get access to funds in days, not weeks. This loan product is ideal for those who may have less than perfect credit scores or are looking for more flexible lending options. Figure doesn't rely on traditional credit scores alone. It uses alternative data points to make loan decisions, which opens up access to more people who might not qualify elsewhere. Additionally, the loan terms are clear and transparent with no hidden fees or surprises. You know exactly what you're paying upfront, which makes budgeting and planning easier. What sets Figure apart from other loan services is their commitment to low rates and competitive terms. They also provide resources to help you manage your loan after you've been approved, including tools to track your payments and monitor your progress towards paying down your debt. Links to Figure Personal Loan are included in the description below, so you can easily check it out yourself. Whether you're just curious or ready to apply, having easy access to all the information you need is key to making a well-informed decision. If you found this review helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more honest reviews and financial tips. Your support helps us create content that's useful and relevant to your needs. Thanks for watching.